One moment you are perfectly comfortable. The next moment you feel as if your body is on fire. Your face becomes hot. Your heart starts pumping strongly. And suddenly you are sweating even when the room is cool. These symptoms, known as hot flashes, are one of the most common symptoms of menopause. Today, I will share simple, natural, and holistic steps to help reduce hot flashes and make your menopause journey much more comfortable. But first, understand why these hot flashes happen. As women approach menopause, the level of estrogen gradually starts decreasing. Estrogen helps regulate the body's temperature control center in the brain. When estrogen levels fluctuate, this temperature control system becomes more sensitive. Even a small increase in body temperature makes the brain think the body is overheating. Immediately, it widens the blood vessels, increases the blood flow to the skin, and activates the sweat glands. That is why you suddenly feel intense heat, redness, sweating, and sometimes even chills afterwards. The good news is that there are many natural ways which could help your body stay balanced. Let's see them one by one. Step 1. Find your triggers. Every woman is different. For some, spicy food triggers hot flashes. Others may notice them after drinking coffee, eating large meals, experiencing emotional stress, spending time in hot weather, or wearing tight synthetic clothing. Keep a simple diary for 2 weeks. Whenever a hot flash occurs, note what you ate, what you were doing, your stress level, and the surrounding temperature. This simple habit shows patterns that are easy to modify. Step 2. Nourishing your body with cooling foods. The food you eat can either cool your body or make hot flashes worse. Choose water rich food like watermelon, oranges, berries, apples, pomegranate. Include vegetables such as cucumber, bottle gourd, ash gourd, and pumpkin. Take whole grains like oats, millets, brown rice, and quinoa. To get steady energy and maintain balanced blood sugar level, healthy fats from flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and sesame seeds are also very good. Flax seeds contain lignan, natural plant compound that provides estrogen like activities. Take soya food such as soya chunks, soya milk, roasted soya beans because they contain phytoestrogen. Use moderately as a part of a balanced vegetarian diet. Sip water throughout the day instead of waiting until you are thirsty. Step 3. Keep blood sugar stable. When your blood sugar suddenly rises and falls, your body experiences more stress, and that can trigger more hot flushes. So instead of sitting and eating large meals followed by long gaps, take balanced meals that include whole grains, dals, beans, vegetables, and healthy fat. Stable blood sugar helps your body remain more balanced throughout the day. Step 4. Heal your gut. Our intestine contains millions of beneficial gut bacteria that help regulate estrogen metabolism. Scientists call this group of bacteria the estrobolome. Support your gut by eating fiber-rich vegetables, fruits, whole grain, beans, lentils, homemade curd or yogurt, and traditional buttermilk. A healthy gut supports healthier hormonal balance. Now, the next tip is very important because even healthy looking women continue having hot flushes if they ignore this. Step 5. Calm your nervous system. Stress is one of the biggest trigger of hot flashes. So whenever you feel a hot flash beginning, don't panic. Instead, slow down your breathing. Inhale gently through your nose for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly for 6 seconds. Continue this relaxed breathing for 5 minutes with prolonged exhalation known as Rechak. This is a very therapeutic pranayama. This activates the body's relaxation response and reduces stress hormones. You should also practice Chandra Bhedan Pranayam, where you inhale through the left nostril and exhale through the right nostril. In yoga, the left nostril is associated with the cooling and calming effect of body and mind, making this pranayam specially helpful when you feel overheated or restless. Along with this, practice gentle yogic techniques. Restorative poses like Yogendra Bakrasan, Matsyasan, and Supta Vakrasan are very helpful. End your practice with Yogendra Shavasana. This will calm your nervous system and improve sleep. Also, meditate for at least 10 minutes every day. A calm mind creates a calmer body. Step 6. Move every day. Besides these yogic techniques, keep your body active. Regular physical activities are also important. Take a brisk walk, do cycling or swimming for at least 30 minutes. Even 30 minutes of movement improves circulation, reduces stress, supports better sleep, and help reduce the frequency of hot flushes. Step 7. Sleep well. Many women also experience night sweat, which disturbs sleep cycle. So take good care of your sleep. Keep your bedroom cool and well ventilated. Wear loose cotton clothes. Avoid heavy dinner late at night. Try to sleep at the same time every day. Good sleep regulates your body's internal clock and its temperature regulation. Now, one more thing, what to do when hot flush starts? Let me tell you one simple technique that gives immediate relief. Cool your pulse points. Run cool water over your wrist or place a cotton cloth on your neck, behind your knees or inside your elbows. These areas contain blood vessels close to the skin. Cooling them helps your body release heat more quickly. Remember, menopause is not something to fear. It is a natural transition to a new phase of life. Your body is changing. It simply needs more nourishment, more care, and your love. Listen to your body. Keep nourishing. Stay active. Practice yoga. Breathe deeply and give yourself enough rest. Small, consistent changes can make a big difference over time. Most importantly, be kind to yourself. This phase will pass, and with right lifestyle, you can continue to live a healthy, active, fulfilling life. Namaskar.